Hi there, I'm gonna show in this video tutorial how to change the matrix menu config on Nokia 3210 4G 2024. What does this mean? Means that we can add or remove icons from the phone menu. So you can see here the default configuration on the phone. We are going to change it from a Furious Gold box. So let's go to the Diag Mode tab, choose our model here, and from the operations box I'm going to choose menu matrix config, and from the bottom menu I'm going to choose our model. So as you can see, we have here all the available menus for this phone. So let's play and only choose a few that we want to have there. Let's choose the internet, camera, torch, recorder, calculator, and settings. Press done. Now connect, and once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to power off the phone and connect the USB cable. Be sure you have the drivers installed. So that's it. So we are informed that in order to complete this operation, we need to do a factory reset using the shown code. So let's wait for the phone to power on. Let's dial that code. Okay. Now let's wait for the phone to restart. We have here also the text size, large or small. So now let's check the menu. So as you can see, we have here only the icons we selected in the softwares: internet, camera, settings, torch, recorder, and calculator. So everything went okay. Thanks for using our products. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Bye bye.